Olive oil is one of the oldest and most popular products in Mediterranean and international cuisine. It has been used since ancient times as a cooking ingredient, as well as for medical, cosmetic, and lighting applications. The origin of olive oil dates back thousands of years, with the first evidence of olive oil production in Crete, ancient Greece over 6,000 years ago. The Greeks and Romans both used olive oil for cooking, but also for medicine, cosmetics, and lighting. Olive trees were grown throughout the Mediterranean basin, and olive oil production spread to other Mediterranean regions, including Spain, Italy, Tunisia, and Portugal. In the Middle Ages, olive oil was also produced in some regions of France, but it was considered a luxury item reserved for the wealthy. Olive oil is produced by pressing olives, the fruit of the olive tree, to extract the oil. The olives are harvested in the fall and can be pressed immediately to produce first cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, which is considered the highest quality olive oil. Olives can also be stored for a short time before being pressed, resulting in lower quality oil. Olive oil is a key ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine, where it is used for cooking, seasoning, and preparing various dishes. It has also become popular in other diets due to its health benefits. Besides being a source of healthy fats, olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which have anti-inflammatory and cardioprotective properties. Olive oil is also used in cosmetics, where it is used to moisturize the skin and hair, as well as for medical applications, where it is used as a natural laxative and to treat skin conditions. Finally, it is also used for lighting, as it burns for a long time and with little smoke, producing a bright and stable flame. In summary, olive oil is an emblematic product of Mediterranean cuisine and many other cuisines around the world. It has been produced for thousands of years and is valued for its delicious flavor, as well as its health benefits and medical and cosmetic uses.